Imagine this. You donate a piece of artwork or maybe a piece of land to charity. You hire an appraiser. You take a charitable deduction on your tax return and you think you did everything right. Then the IRS comes back and says, nope, that donation wasn't worth nearly what you claimed. Suddenly your deduction is on the chopping block. This is what's called a valuation case. And here's the thing. The IRS doesn't like these cases because they're very hard for them to win. When you donate property, your deduction is based on fair market value, but fair market value isn't black and white. Is that painting worth $20,000 or $200,000? Is that piece of land valued as farmland or for commercial development? The IRS has its own experts who often argue for the lowest possible value. And when they do, they'll slash your deduction. But the truth is, valuation isn't an exact science. It's opinion backed by evidence. The IRS's appraiser might cherry pick data and say it's worth far less. But judges know that valuation is subjective, and there's often a range of reasonable answers. And that's why the IRS doesn't like litigating these cases, because strong taxpayer experts can hold their ground. This is where legal representation can make all the difference. At Gordon Law, we don't just accept the IRS's version of value. We defend your expert's appraisal, and we cross-examine the IRS's expert to expose weak assumptions, bad data, or biased methods. The IRS is hoping you'll back down, but when you have the right attorney fighting for you, the equation changes. So if you've donated property, whether it's artwork, land, or anything of value, and the IRS is challenging your deduction, don't go it alone. Call Gordon Law.